Where, over there?
Behind this other tent.
What up, guys, and welcome back to a masked version, COVID version of Life with Buzz, here today at Alder Acres.
Here's your sticker here. Your pants or whatever.
Woo! Alder Acres!
Whoa, Bushy. Whoa.
Come on, Bubba. I see ya. What do you think of the sign?
Baba.
That's where I was gonna pick that up. Bubba, no. We gotta put it back up, okay? Can you put that back?
No.
Put that back. Good job, baby. Come on, let's go, Nana.
Baby bunny. Maya.
Bunny.
Nana?
Well, he's so huge. I know, Papa.
Whoa.
He's a big boy. He's a big boy and so handsome. Yes, you are. You are so handsome.
I've never seen a big
Like a Clydesdale.
horse like this.
Whatever
They
they're
look
called after
real.
that. What's that? What's that? Cow? Cow?
It's Big Bob Day. Hello.
It's a baby cow, Mama. We can pet them, right?
I don't see signs of Oh, piggies.
Peppa Pig, yeah.
Peppa Pig.
I'm Peppa Pig. This is my little brother George.
Where you guys going? Where are you going? Where are you going? Hi guys. Hi guys.
We take you home, but then you're gonna become that big thing.
No, we take you home.
Billy, don't you dare to bite my girl.
No, I don't have any more food. I'm saving it.
Is it bite?
Where are you going? I don't know. I assume all goats do. What's up? Shuggy. It's been a long time since you have talked in the vlog. Just regular, in front of the cameras. No mask.
It's true.
Bushy's running away with her Nana right now. We're at the Alder Acres. What made you decide this place today?
I don't know. I saw somebody coming in here, and then I thought it was cute. And it is pretty cute. I think it's the best farm that we ever visit.
Of all the vlogs where we filmed at locations, this is absolutely the best. We're gonna go catch our Bush. We're gonna enjoy the adventure. Why don't we just...
Hey, Nana. She's fine.
Well, in the meantime, while we take a break, we're gonna roll the montage. Tell them. Roll it.
I was a third string dreamer on a second place team, but I was hell on wheels with a full head of steam when coach put me in, and I'm still proud of that hit. I was the last resort to go to prom with a queen, thanks to an ex-boyfriend who broke her heart that week. No, I didn't get lucky, but I still felt like a king. And that might not mean much to you, but it does to me. Whoa, it does to me. Oh, man, it does to me.
All to one turn it.
Who's rude? Why am I rude? I got no food.
They think you have.
I got no food. I was just blocking away for everybody else. Hello. Hi. What's up? Okay, all together now. Happy birthday. Yo, you're not helping. Come on. Okay, you ready? Lead the pack. Ready? Happy. Do you guys even know whose birthday it is? I don't know whose it is either. Yo, you got some nutty things hanging there. Some sacks going on there. You got one hanging there too as well. Who farted? One of you two farted. I heard that. One of you two farted. I heard that. I'm looking your way, Sting. So I've come across the Time Out Dungeon. Mr. Smelly Billy Goat here has apparently been getting naughty with the other female goats. According to this year, Mr. Activity down here has fathered over 60 different goats this past year. Billy, you horny little goat. You want to keep it in your pants or you want to stay in the dungeon all your life? Don't be like Billy. Don't be like Billy. Gentlemen, don't be like Billy. Looking for the family as we're gonna go to one of the mazes coming up, the Barley Maze. Somebody was getting a booby last time I checked. They might be around here somewhere. So let's see if we can find the boosh, the babe, and mama. I found her. Everybody having fun so far?
Yeah.
Everybody's ready for the maze? Bushi, you excited? Living the dream. I can see. More adventures.
No muddy puddle. You don't have your boots on. No. Come on.
Excuse me, sir. Do you know where Shrek is? I'm sure you've heard this joke like 10 times today.
Nice. Don't poke his eye.
Spider right here.
Baba.
Mommy brought extra pens, so don't worry.
It's okay. Daddy can back you in the car.
Be careful with the pilile. Careful with the pilile, okay?
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Apple.
Hi, baby boy.
The girls are looking at the big horse behind us. Mom's looking over at the little tiny bunnies in front of us. I'm enjoying the day and the scenery. Guys, it has been an amazing episode looking at the horses, the donkeys, the chickens, the little cat. Pretty much every animal that you could think of here at Alder Acres. If you do have children, maybe you're just family, boyfriend, girlfriend, doesn't matter, whatever it might be, Alder Acres is definitely the place to go during the week, because during the weekend it might be a little too busy. As my video guys, we're just gonna say thank you guys again for watching, and if you did like it, give us a big fat thumbs up, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and we'll see you next time on Life with Buzz YouTube. Thank you guys for watching today's video. If you did like today's video, give us a big fat thumbs up. Make sure you watch the other videos over here and maybe whatever's left over here. Subscribe. Make sure you subscribe.